Sampa for benshel otumfuo me can without any contradiction. Amamra kwanso Sampa for nche otumfuo Sampa for beshe sumahene ase. Nebade kosom ngofa bonohene. Ohu bibia da bia bi babe ho be ya amana ye na anya Agyemang badum penso. Me de wo ya bibi na nya nokora me ma onyo wo te se ne mentiase ye da. Nke se be mane obi a osi gina ya onim se ye nokora odi akiri. Oya da ne Sampa okoche otumfuo ase. Wahu ne ma aba wahu se ne baba sombono bankobio na bankobio oba bede oba chiba baba pebe hene
nana no free kakala ebedu Sampa memo no nana ben penso ena nana no na fanfo ba Asantehene
yera wadama me kasa me chirin se ya nana dongi chirifo Sampa hina otosu no ono ena odi e ba Asantehene esan na okun a emene yen e wo Sampa oti yera nka onu se kun nyina ate ne yera no de no ho be hye yera ase a yera be bo ne ho ban ampa nso yera abo na fana Sampa ho ban efri sa abere no be pim ene ebe ya obranye ne
opanyini bi adi nkomo bi once again a agenda any settings and so enye adwuma a settings and agenda against Asantefo and Asantehene omanyi bi pen anye adwuma omugoso ye na enye adwuma opanyini Kwadwo Agyemang adi nkomo bi na momientie
misha ba ko anke se ubisa abu muhammad ene adama watara anu jina mapu kufisu na busiafo eze asem na eda bono regional house of chiefs afanu yenu nyina montem ho ase na mon ko fale discontinuance na mon twa case no every bono regional house of chiefs one misa womo amo montu anamo nanso no nkrata eda asem no ho di adansi trodo se on be yi asem no so on ba be siesie ewo manhia enti eye afisisi a runbe kase eye settlement na yegina yeni se aban mram no ana court mram no se asem wo court na se obi ba se obegi akosisi a osiesie asem no wi a ye wo bibi a ye friend the terms of settlement kwana ofaso nipa profaso esiesi asem no esese okurichire digun grata so na ofanu mienu ni nyina sente ase ye aduma de a obi a sign na wo ugina mu esiesi asem no so sign editre kwan a afisisi no efaso koy now they are bread court na court to jinaso and they are passing a judgment on that day now we peace no we die ankobanisa in the case no and that's so pending one regional house of chiefs and now one a buy then a mistake out here and no enti afonu mienu no discontinue case no ewo but the set terms a settlement o ka asem no so wie ya one for terms of settlement and court will be one regional house of chiefs judicial committee one come terms of settlement enti hono wa bumraso besine untu sana mono enti ode one regional house of chiefs and ni atwitwi e form say who ni omo nhyehyɛ so na bini ya wutie me omo ya kama pre institutional a government institution a regional house of chiefs, national house of chiefs, traditional councils, they are all state institutions abambo omuka otumfuo for institutional state nothing or money nothing. Who say would do a money so? One woman shall what buso won't find yet man. Why do you expect to say state or minor or no institutions who say one moment I won't find yet man? And now say one of them won't find yet man. We expect to say the same state and use the agencies and for protecting our interest. Kwadwo Agyemang. Umeri manocha. Oh my Ghana mighty. As you be more. They say, yena you need them, you yakuku. And kind of pray. Because yena ye, Wabna yena ye, Wami ye, otumfuo, osei ni one maraso, unti besi in terms of settlement, Abu Muhammad was a who are the Kano, or also now was a Muha. Obaya no Greta at the common mono regional house of Jesus will discontinue the case. And now Bono regional house of Jesus command said, ye discontinue cases are case no more ye some more settle, ye mammoth 3 months, some more settle, no for terms of settlement in man.
So what I was so Oberton Sampa and a judiciary and a Bono House of Chiefs and a Sampa for the case no call for arbitration and a settlement and I was some of the terms of settlement eba. Minya ninyina ye settings. Bisa ho question back up. So in the first place, Papa Agyemang and a professor of history or say so nim amamre ni amanye pa obi mu se say na was say Sampa for no kra ko bono House of Chiefs ho so na Sampa for no nim de omoye ampa na was so moko bono regional House of Chiefs say omoko settle omo dispute Dabi akumena wudi ewo Sampa no so obisi eni wo na ewo na akumena wo overlord mi am do boko Ghana Chieftaincy Act nim yewo overlord concept wo nti se akumena ho ba asema also we overlord we de mutraye Asantehene na ye overlord in the first place the case ne called Bono Regionals of Chiefs who the air settings Libya a agenda sa ase Asantehene person di yeso na yam enya no kre Asantehene Libya nka so beso odibunu bia ne Bono ni bia so e will be enhye so and in the first place Papa Agyemang Kwadwo Agyemang nene sa Sampa for no Bono Regionals of Chiefs ho enye ho no mutishe so opese de me kan ojetuma na say opese wo ye extensive researcher Bono ahafo and I said then Bono hafo Regionals of Chiefs no yo ehimfubu wo ahafo yo ehimfubu wo ene baby e fro Bono East ene yo ehimfubu wo baby ene e fro Bono na omo pe elevation omo be say ye mu so ema ombe ye paramountcy enam say sa time ana sa amre no omo no mo ho as Bono ahafo Regionals of Chiefs ne enim di omo yenti no mo nim se ne ye nti no omo ka kire sa afo no se yentimi mamumu so yentimi MP jam efri se akunyo no wo overlord Sam kroni bu wa hafo ayom so hafo fa ho dai no beko abuom inkasem okọ Bono Easter ofuma na nasefo those times seeking for paramountcy obuma ne ye clear say yentimi mamumu so Sam panin for sad time de no ye Bono hafo president no eno mu whatever committee also mo hwena ma paramountcy ba no omo si yentimi nye fi se mu overload mutisha baabi enti ho na so mokọ na di na efe di Edwin Sampa so a na akoye settings as obi ehihye bibi against Asantehene as obi person authority mention ne Asantehene no okofa some crooked history bi and a Sampa she sumase e de kosom German na German hini na ohefa e de guye Asante conquer German na me conquer wa na sempo na Sampa she sumase a efe Sampa da so ye odia enti nyina ye settings and agenda Sampa pemu faso bia maso na omu nyina results bia so mfrim efe se omu amfa no kre anya de Sampa ekose sumase daben Sampa ene asantefo kon odi abo ekuro bi a ewo soko ene Ivory Coast ntem saa time na Sampa nsha asante ase ana so mu nka asante ho omo na asante kon pese no omo protect German hene ansa na kire Sampa ne asante ebehwe bom nti ede na efe Sampa ne sumana sumana ehwe Sampa so ede kosum German kingdom was conquered nti na Sampa sum German krana the kingdom that German whoever was chief was killed Abu Kofi den krama homi they were conquered and defeated when the plain truth mun kanchiro and nobody nsam no nwan ya Minya mamemfa ko chieftaincy act in kohese ye the concept of overlord anase sa panyini ana ohenkese nyame kese otumfuo setutu no or ye unique chief anase one ehemfo nyina yepe mumi nsua de ansana me no behwe chieftaincy act ene emra emma Asantehene ye Asantehene no ye ma ni pebi ntu mo ho se omo wi pusagra ma Asantehene onye paramount chief entina national house of chiefs no onko no almost 1978 Agyemang the first no modesta motion ni ba yesa o some contest no champion G2 mu no so no want me no paramount chief bi en nyina se yentu mu so ba into then Asantehene tufu pokuware katechi FM puna na waba foforo FM puna na ohene kese katechi pokuware the second aba foforo no so onyina ema yenkoto ono ene ohene bi so aba sai ye yidi o ye kandifo oye Asantehene onye paramount chief ono so onye divisional chief de mpo enye yesa ti yamma ni pebintu mu wasesa na asundwie mra till 1978 they see and say Asantehene ene Agyemang and the contest here omu nyina ye blood omu ye nuanom obin timi hu enhyehyeye ana brondi beka se negotiations a course obin timi nkyere ene ma Agyemang the first ebeye national house of chiefs president. Let's this be clear. So, since then, Asantehene national house of chiefs won crown on shut down for the deal crown ko say be. Mama nenya clear se otimi bom manhene wa bom manhene amana yeye. Oni aban ko enitimi bom manhene. Asantehene oni aban ko enitimi bom manhene. Let's this sink we to trimasa to ko bia ne babia biem okrom hene no wona pija no bo so okrom hene say obeye mahene yi aban krata aban ne chese obeye mahene sa amre no na obi anti Ghana Parliament a separate Asantehene from other chiefs. If it's a golden stone a unique into Asantehene so that's wrong. Asantehene That's wrong. To moya marano. Omoye se. Ya wase ma opanyin kese nyame kese. That's wrong. There should be a category. Yes, or a chief, but or a unique chief compared to other chiefs. Where a clear and yet no he be best for this say or be contorted like or be chiachia no ma a kuntunu ho ahuri akogina social media can the open na the nkofo ni se bia or a liberator obi aso nsia wo so Asantehene nsia bunu so ofiri Kumasi koduru nkran omo moten nkran tibika se we kurase ni saas no ofiri ba bi ba Kumasi a itibika se bi we kurase ni chese kro kitwo mu ni e kro kase ase ni a wa ba kro me chese se bi wagimi ofiri ba bi anase ofiri kro bi a eye keto akokro ma a obeta wani so obaye mistakes bebrebe ame hu se okra wo mfiri ha we nya de fenie be ko hu ntokwa say Asantehene say omu person mu dibuno for so said ye Dormaahene kan some time ago enya no kore obi penekese yaaye obi penekese yaaye enyeye e na odi afra bonofo eye simple logic yene bonofo no call school yene bonofo no ye adwuma obi ani issue. History amunam social media Kenya almost 98% enya kore almost 98% oha enchichemu eduokunu nwotwe enya kore. And so still mugu so yes settings and agenda edie na Ghana Chieftaincy Act ndeka Ghana Chieftaincy Act section 13(1) osei me potokakra osei the paramount chief of a traditional area, or in the case of the Kumasi traditional area, the Asantehene shall be the president of the traditional council. Tienio. In the case of Kumasi traditional area, the Asantehene shall be the president of the traditional council. Section 13 says each traditional area be a paramount chief and as a divisional chief where it's applicable. And to bet you when you see me your mahene ampa or your mahene because okosa area muhona on a da traditional council no as president. The mum uba Kumasi traditional area na Krobia sha Santiasi biano or no Asantehene and a be president of that council. Asantehene remains and will forever remain the president of Asantehene. Section 29 of the Chieftaincy Act and so say a traditional council has exclusive jurisdiction to hear and determine a cause or matter affecting chieftaincy which arises within its area, not being one to which the Asantehene or a paramount chief is a party. Mama sensi 29 is to be minua. Na ushia papa Kwadwo Agyemang obusane say enti de oyeye kire say. Section 29 of the Chieftaincy Act say, subject to this act, a traditional council has exclusive jurisdiction to hear and determine a cause or a matter affecting chieftaincy which arises within its area, not being one to which the Asantehene or a paramount chief is a party. Now, TNU. Jurisdiction is a hono. And se ahinsen bi soro wo bona. I will say they call bro regionals of chiefs because Asante wo nkro bi wo ho a on sa nkro no alliance. ebi mo kan strategic alliance, ebi mo kan strategic partnership. We alliance ni firi ho a asante ne nkuro bi wo ho a ɛyɛ asante dia. Ɛno de ni ɛnyɛ alliance asɛm o. Ebi wo ho a ɛyɛ ɔhene yere ne kɔtena ho. Nkuro ni bi wo ho a ɛyɛ ɔhene ba ne kɔtena ho. Ɛkyɛkyere ho. Nkuro ni bi wo ho a asantefo kan ne firi bantima kɔtena bi sɛ ɛwaduma ase ɛne sunwane ɛne atronie ɛne nkuro aka. Sampa ne asantehwe bɔ mu nyenne. Otumfuo pokowaro tosu mienu katachie ene pagya Sampa akunya. Ɛho mfonyin ene ho nkrata nyina wo. Nti Sampa nya asɛm a busawo sɛ enka he na wo so mokɔ. So ye can jurisdiction ene mmara. Now you heard the concept of overlord. And he na wo so mokɔ. Ma ya asɛm ngongona because obi person ye kɛseɛ ɛna ontimi nye kɛseɛ. It is idea message confusion because onwa akacho so or controversial ana meboa kam obi antie ohene
Uvula controversial.
so yet asumdwem fefefe ye adwuma bom ko school bom ko asori bom ye politics bom ye bibia bom obia ntan obi asese obi. And so bimu dane is because or person nintumo ofrano and can Asantehene de koyepe and so nyepe. Na botre and Asantehene de koyepe and so nyepe. Ne chow osheno na o se kan Asantehene de yepe and so nyepe. Sika wona kunyo hono o se kan Asantehene de yepe and so nyepe. Enti sadia or the controversy best sign yoma. Akofa instability about Ghana. Busa okro mu hene ne se hon de pijano from odikro to divisional and I said from divisional to paramount and hon de pijano on kind of crunch do fe se opeso ni asante nya asem but my year in the 50s anya adwuma mo sa so de kukukukuku bune champion in the 70s anya adwuma 90s anya adwuma still so said ye opemso kan no o ma me anwa wa mo me nyai sa no mo we na hu hia yenhwe section 58 of the Chieftaincy Act. Section 58 also the following are the categories of chiefs. You asumo unia kaniba uya kaniba ni so mo be na adwene e fa ho sa. The following are the categories of chiefs. A. The Asantehene and Paramount chiefs. The Asantehene and Paramount chiefs. One can say Asantehene a Paramount chief. They could have made it clear. Say Paramount chiefs and could be in parliamentary. Omo can say A. Paramount chiefs go be in parliament if it's that time. But no munim. They knew what they were doing or what they have learned. Oko law school na ye was self-rule. Ye pekrobi, anasa or maybe anabusu bi edomaye example for self-ruler. Ye de asante na ye. Oko British Museum, Oko Britain. Your nation, most of my Asante, because Abafno Bayan, they saw Asante as a nation. This open swatness no Okase Asante Dane Maya, son of best watch. Before say JB Dankwa and Kwame Nkrumah and Asantehene Prempeh II. Ebe kasasa be yin na be ya ba ko ne chechete Ghana no. Na Asante di ne ho so e won military won BBA, won offices, won apostle won BBA dada. Asante won commission ni bibia I said your maybe na wodada. In section 58 of the Chieftaincy Act na no was the Asantehene and Paramount chiefs. And some of B divisional chiefs. Some of C sub-divisional chiefs. And some pon wako the kekeka ho. So enti otnase mo bi bedada say Asantehene ne ye nyina ye pe Asantehene ye paramount chief won't mo bi so nya no krai wa ma be so ma na ye ema no nyina ye paramount chiefs na saa hene ne mpese ye bebo o ma hene na ne na be ye pe na wokọ bono regional of chiefs a bono na koye pe saa hene ne mpese ye be ma wo so ye be ma wo fa ana onua panye so no be ye ma hene na mokọ bono east meetings a woni ohene ho akopreso enti no sadia obey controversial enso so emfa hwema kira wadwe na mintie wadwene asema papa Agyemang kan he no kresa na yiri yagbon wura yana Asantehene. These are overlords. Efeso omo paramount is esisi omase yagbon wura na yiri yana omo paramount is esisi omase nti omo ntimi ni sa paramount ni nkoye pe we nya kasapi enye dede pi sa na yiri yagbon wura yana go and research about them say omu ni ehemfo omu mu udu enso omu duru omanima omu ni se miurani saas no ba santi memete ti mun kanche papa Agyemang say sa no ma no omu ya ye dan kira wadwe na mintie wadwene asema papa Agyemang kan he no kresa. Write a comment or leave a comment in the comment section. Medawasipi.
Na ya bi ama Sampa afanu tuma pa yo otumfuo chairman said yewura eka asem kosi ye no atemu wanse se enyina be kan bu ya ye papa ko ya ko som Sampa mai kama so dia
tu se ba ta ka se ka da se
sire yewura kan pese kan pese se mini ya le be kan bu ma so dia ba se
do cha mo ye do cha mo do mo